Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here. Well, I'm finally back in the kitchen after a little bit of a break, guys. Had to take a little break from everything, and hopefully I'm back up here. So, alright guys, so what we're going to start off here with today is a really easy recipe for mashed sweet potatoes. I really enjoy sweet potatoes, and they're very healthy for you. Got a lot of different vitamins and minerals for you that you need for your health and immune system. So let's get this going here. So what you're going to need is 6 sweet potatoes. I got these right here. The sweet potatoes are one of the major crops here in North Carolina where I live. So, and you're going to need a pot with water in it. You're going to need the water to just cover the sweet potatoes up. And you're going to need to put a little bit of salt in there to help it boil and all that other good stuff. And you're going to need 3/4 of a cup of milk and a 1/4 of a cup of maple syrup. So, and then you can put a little bit at the end. And we're going to need some 4 tablespoons of butter and some salt and pepper at the end if you'd like to taste. And let's get this going and see how it turns out, guys. Okay guys, the first thing you're going to want to do is take your sweet potatoes. I'm just going to cut the end off of this. And then we're going to start peeling the skins off. It's really good to use a peeler that you use. I guess I always called it a carrot peeler, but you can use it to peel potatoes and everything else. This is an old one, so might be time to get a new one, I guess. Well, it still works. Okay guys, once you get the skin peeled off, or you can leave the skins on if you want. But on this one we're going to peel it off. Yeah, that classic looking. Dig that one out. Okay, get that last little bit off there. Alright, and once this peel, we're gonna take these potatoes and chop them up. Yeah, put them in the water here. Okay guys, I'm going to finish cutting these up and getting those prepped up, and then we're going to start working on boiling these potatoes up, and I'll show you on the next part of that. Okay, I'll be right back guys. Okay guys, as you can see, I got these chopped up, got them in the water, got them all in here pretty good. It's filled up just above the potatoes, a little room for them to sort of round. I got a little bit of salt in here. I'm going to add some on the top. Alright, and we're going to let this get up to a boil and let it boil for 30 minutes, and then we're going to finish these up. So I'll see you in about 30 minutes here. We'll let this come to a good boil, and then we'll finish it all up good. Alright, so here we go guys. Okay guys, this is good and cooked here, so we're going to take it off, strain it, and then we're going to put it in a bowl and finish this stuff up. So here we go guys. We'll just go ahead and take this off here. Okay guys, I'm going to take this and that all in there. Now, I got basically 4 tablespoons of butter. We're just gonna throw the whole chunk in there. Put in our maple syrup and our butter. And we're gonna use the potato smasher here. And just smash it, get it all in there. The warmth of the potatoes will get it on there, get it all good and mashed up. All right. Okay guys, that turned out wonder right there. Alright guys, there we go. I'm going to let this sit for a little bit, let it settle, and then we'll give it a try. So, okay guys, I'm going to dip some of this out in a bowl, and then we're going to give it a little bit of a try. And okay, so let's give this a try and see how it turned out. Tastes really good. Don't really need any salt and pepper, but I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to it to bring the flavor out a little bit more. But this turned out really good without it. So this is just a really simple, easy one that you can make, and easy sweet potatoes. Tastes really good. Okay guys, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Give it a try. Let me know how what you think about it. Leave comments below. I enjoy reading those comments. Okay guys, well, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and also take time to subscribe to my channel to catch other cooking videos like this. I try to get one out on Saturday, and I also do some taste test videos and some sightseeing adventure videos as well. So okay guys, well, I'll see you guys in the next video. I want you guys to enjoy the day the Lord has made for you. And I'm going to finish eating this here and